Welcome back to Websites for Beginners. My name is JP. This is Module 1, the one-pager we'll be building out from scratch, taking it to absolute beginner level with the bricks theme for WordPress. Let's have a look at what's going on here, and this will be a quick overview. I don't want to dive too deeply into this. We'll get hands-on with it very soon, and that's the best way to learn. I always think when I get to this part, how many videos I often find online for a new product, and then it's basically a tutorial on how to use the product, and they spend 90% of just showing you the interface. This one is over here, and that one is over there. What a waste of time, right? So let's not waste too much time. The main work happens here in the middle. This is your canvas. This is where we build the page, and there's a few options here. We will look at them in the modules as they come. Toolbar at the top gives us settings here on the left with many other functions where we can add pages, manage templates, and where we will be accessing all our settings as well. On the right, here is our save options as well as the front end view. The left sidebar has two purposes, basically. One is all the elements, your building blocks for what you're going to be creating your website with. They appear here. And if you get any bricks, add-ons, yes, there are add-ons for bricks, they will appear here as well. You see next to elements, there's something like components. We will talk about components in Module 2. Love this feature. But the elements, yeah, we're basically going to stick to layout and basic for most of the time. The second thing that you will find this sidebar is used for is the settings for any of these elements. Once the element comes onto the page, the settings appear here on the left. That's locked in. On the right, by default, this sidebar is open structure, and that's the only function the right sidebar has, is to show you the structure. You can take it away by going up here to the toolbar, and you can hide the structure, but I don't think I know of anyone who does that. The structure is super helpful, and it gives you so much flexibility and control to get into your page and make sure you go where you want to go and make the changes that you want to make. That's it. It's very familiar, very typical setup for a builder in WordPress. Now let's do a quick build in the next video. Just throw some random stuff onto the page. I want to show you in general how the elements work. And we can also look already at some of those things that are different in bricks compared to other WordPress builders that you may have used before. All of that in the next chapter.